Yeah, I don't like to do these films when I get a little winded. You know, this is the mosquito part of the tour. Mosquitoes have been, well, I guess I was just telling this guy that was coming with his dogs before they started jumping all over me. He's got some wild dogs. But I think that we might have the record in Michigan, in St. Joseph, Michigan, for the best days ever. I don't know if how you can figure it out. Maybe get AI to calculate how many days where 30% humidity, 69 degrees, and 3 to 4 mile an hour winds. Perfect little breeze, not too breezy, not too windy, perfect temperature, perfect degrees. Not to brag, actually, someone was saying that here in Southwest Michigan, we actually have a population problem. For some reason, everybody wants to leave here. For some reason, they get depressed living here in Michigan. For some reason, it's depressing. People get kind of an attitude, but you know, some people have fun, like me. But I don't know. I mean, I got to live in Nashville for a while. I lived in Miami for a while. So I and I lived in Colorado. So I mean, I've got to live at different places, and I appreciate living here now that I've been other places. I don't know how that sun is gonna, well, I guess it's not in your face, but it's definitely in my face. I got mad the other day at Twitter because they thought that I was a robot. I don't really want to say, I don't know, I posted some crazy stuff on Twitter that I probably shouldn't have posted or retweeted. I would say that the British country, maybe I shouldn't say their name, I know they're banning memes. I guess memes that are against the government, or maybe war, and I don't want to have this conversation, but yeah, they're not giving everybody the freedom of speech, but I mean, they've been kind of known for that. I don't know, can you hear those birds? I'm going to Chicago tomorrow, so I guess you're going to see a lot of pictures of Chicago. What we're going to do is we're going to do the, it's called the architecture tour, and actually you ride on like a boat, or float on a boat, or sit on a boat, or stand on I don't know what you do on a boat. But anyways, I've done it before, and it was just amazing. It's the same tour that the Dave Matthews Band. I don't know if you've ever heard of Dave Matthews Band. They're an old kind of hippie band. They're known for all their songs sounding like the same. Dave Matthews is just like, fuck you, why are you saying this shit? But I guess their tour bus went on a bridge and let out all their poop or their shit from their tour bus, and it went on a bunch of people. There was like a dinner boat and Chicago architecture tour boat, and they all got covered in sewage. But yeah, I'm going on the tour, so I hope no one shits on me from above. So my plan was to go there and go on I believe it's called the Willis Tower, but I still call it the Sears Tower. I don't give a fuck. What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about? Anyways, the Willis Tower. It's not the tallest building in the world, but it might be the tallest one that anybody can go in there and right up to the top. I know there's a bunch of, there's a little museum in there, and they talk about some of the greatest people from Chicago, such as Michael Jordan and President Obama. Oh, there's a deer, right? There's a baby deer. No, it's right there. You. Only you can prevent forest fires. The deer's like, I don't even smoke. Anyways, we can walk towards the baby deer. Tell them about the Chicago tour. Oh, he just took off. We're gonna pause it right there. There's a runner coming.